Tell us in a simple way. This is Mile Stankovic from Australia, the inventor, entrepreneur, philanthropist. So tell us, Mile, in a brief description about your patent, about the application of the patent, and what is your vision for the future of your collision principle and your patent that you invented. Where do you see it going, and where is it right now?
All right. Can I start?
Yes.
All right. From my general point of view and consult with the specific field in transport industry, what was my first intention to solve some specific problem, I believe it can be applied in any kind of covering vehicles, medium size, middle and big semi-trailer and so on. So transportation of food, medicine, like on the train, medicine and all kind of things against elements like raining, snow and so on and so on. That is my first expression. Was the second, I believe in a lot of different kind of industry. It can be applied in macro and micro mechanic to any kind of fine, they call it very simple but very fine transmission of energy from one level to another without losing much energy. Why? Because involve less friction. And one more example is from my personal experience. I also can be applied in any kind of gate system, on any kind of in the house gate and so on. When we open the gates, it involves less friction. And smooth operation can last much longer. They affect the motor, affect all kind of installations and everything. In generally.
So, for example, if you're using in the trucking industry, where do you see it for the fruit, for produce? Where do you see it?
You can put it on the side. You can install the special kind of they call it channeling, what I express. And you can covering, open all the vehicle, open half of the vehicle, and you can loading and unloading material from the both sides, either from the front or from the back. And another advantage is all the system you can take it from the truck remain only channeling on the side. You can take all system. You can make any kind of maintenance, repairing, changing the bearing if it's damaged with a new one, and you can replace it again. That's how I see it for myself.
Excellent. And do you see it in a construction, building construction, interior like this, residential, industrial, commercial? Do you see an application in?
I believe in a lot of sports terrain. Sports. Arenas and this and that, because if you use the very heavy metal or any kind of, I understand previous, at present they have a lot of different kind of examples. That is very heavy and it make the pressure. My system is very simple. It can be like a canvas. It can opening, closing, unless it's very big. They call it snow and heavy. Everything to some extent can defend, but cannot defend a big vibration or anything. Of course, it has a sensitive point of view. In any kind of, especially basketball, netball, if it's open terrain, it can start raining, and tennis. Very important is for the player to be in the cool area, to be covered up.
Thank you. Mile Stankovic from Australia, patent holder for collision bearing system. Really glad that I can actually share last few days, and thank you for sharing this with us. I appreciate it.
Much.
Hopefully we'll see and hear more about you. We'll follow your work, and I encourage everybody listening this to follow and join. Look for Mile Stankovic and collision bearing principles. Founder, so you'll find him online, and we appreciate the time. Thank you, Mile.
Thank you.
Bye bye.